Hi friends, welcome back. In this video tutorial, let us see how to download and install VLC Media Player in laptop or desktop. Before that, if you are watching this video without subscribing to my channel, then please go ahead and click on that subscribe button and then continue watching this video. Let's get into the video. Our initial step is to open the browser and then search for VLC Media Player download under the search box. After opening the website, click on the Download VLC button. Download will be initiated once after clicking on the Download VLC button. Wait until the download finishes. Close the browser and then open the downloaded location. Move the downloaded file to your desktop. Once after moving, double-click on the .exe file and then continue the installation process as shown in this video. Select the language from the drop-down list and then click on Next button. Then continue the installation process as shown in the video. Now click on Finish button. After successful installation, your VLC Media Player will get launched. This is how you can download and install VLC Media Player in your laptop or desktop. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click like button. If you have any questions, drop your comments in comment section. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected for further updates on Who Is She? Thank you.